What we've done to try to increase the amount of practical experience is this semester we've engaged with APRA, the Association of PR Professionals here in the Czech Republic, and the students are actively working with either managing directors or senior PR professionals in each one of those firms on a live client project that they're managing through the semester. And we found that this really increases the practicality and the reality of what we're teaching in class as a model in theory versus what does actually somebody do in a typical day.
Some challenges we had were reconfiguring what we thought our ideas should be for the project, and we did have challenges trying to decide exactly what course we wanted to take the project, communicating with the professionals. Overall, we found a way to make it really engaging for us and for the PR organization that we both benefited from.
Especially from my perspective, it was difficult to dive into the detail. PR is way different than marketing. I know that now for sure. You got to go really into detail, then analyzing data, people, what they like, build that relationship.
But the biggest challenge for students is that they get the opportunity to both be presented with the introduction to a topic and then have the opportunity to practically exercise that knowledge in a real world.
I have gained so much value from this. Without AAU and without this, I don't know if I would have had the opportunity to work with an organization here in Prague directly. I've gained a ton of value getting to work with actual PR professionals and seeing their perspective on our ideas.
As a journalism major, AAU gave me an opportunity also to try myself in PR and marketing, and because many journalist classes include the topic of PR, I think the opportunity to combine both of these classes was fantastic for me to see the whole picture, and I think that AAU provides this opportunity that's actually really helping for the students.
I've had a great experience working with my peers. I had the opportunity to work with some of my friends, and we really worked well as a team. And I feel really prepared for tomorrow. We actually got to present our presentation, the presentation we will be doing, for our client. So we already got feedback and we got to improve on it.
So there were 4 teams. We enjoyed all of the presentations. All the teams came with great ideas, very complex approach. I would say that our expectations were lower than the result.
This is a great way how students could really live the agency experience and work on a real client project.
I'm really thankful to our professor that he gave us that opportunity, because I believe to learn and practice it the best way to remember and to know how to do anything.
I think he really instilled the passion for PR in our class. I think he made a really bold choice with having us do this in practice, as this was an introduction to PR class. I have no experience in PR, but now leaving this, I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on it.
So this PR course is definitely something different from other courses that AAU provides. My advice is to fully embrace the hands-on first experience, the fact that you get to work with a real client. It's a huge responsibility. You become well-rounded. You will become more confident in what real life work looks like. So yeah, this PR course provides a realistic and immersive learning experience.
I would definitely recommend to take this class. You will learn a lot, and most importantly, you will have a great time collaborating with the team professor and mentors.
I would like to thank Jeff for getting it in touch with APRA. We really enjoyed it. The feedback from the mentors was amazing. The feedback from students was also great. So I hope that we will be able to repeat it every year, and that we will be able to promote the value and beauty of the PR business to the students of Anglo-American University.
I invite you to join us in the next semester, our Introduction to PR course. We're excited to integrate the course with the practical engagement with the APRA organization. And as the students, as you've seen and as we've experienced through this semester, they've had a great time and we've learned a lot. So come join us.